Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: Windows 10, admin access, and latest updates so Shadow Defender runs cleanly. Once done, download the installer and have your license key ready or accept the trial. Make sure to close non-essential apps to avoid file conflicts and create a Windows restore point for safety. Then run the installer as administrator. Follow the prompts to install core components. This gets you into the program quickly and reduces setup surprises. Now open Shadow Defender and select the drive or partition you want to protect, commonly C for system files and D for data. Once selected, enable Shadow Mode and choose whether the session should be temporary or persistent depending on your goals. Temporary reverts changes after a reboot, persistent keeps allowed changes. Make sure to add exclusions for folders or files you want to retain. Also configure boot behavior and set a management password so only you can toggle protection. Finish by deciding how to handle changes. Use commit changes to save specific updates or schedule auto-commit to preserve settings periodically. Once configured, test the setup by creating a file or installing a small app, then reboot to confirm Shadow Mode reverted or committed as expected. If you encounter issues, such as failure to enable or conflicts, disable third-party antivirus temporarily and reinstall Shadow Defender, then reapply your settings. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.